Okay, breathing. Shit. I think I forgot to put the toilet seat down. My wife is going to be pissed. Oh yeah, focus on my breath. Shit, dude. I think my cat peed on the carpet instead of in the litter box. Actually, I don't have a cat. Today I'm going to give you a crash course in meditation valued at $17,000, and you're going to receive a PayPal invoice by the end of this video. Now before we get into the steps of meditation, if you agree to this contractual arrangement, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and let's dive right into it. Step number 1, sit in a comfortable position. A lot of people will tell you you have to sit. If you feel more comfortable lying down, lie down. But the whole point is to find somewhere just like this where you can sit peacefully. There's no right or wrong way to do it. But if you want to sit, get your spine straight and in a position where you can relax for a moment or two. Next, close your eyes, or if you feel more comfortable, you can keep them slightly open. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna inhale, exhale. It's gonna be a 4-count breath, which means you're gonna inhale for 4 seconds and you're gonna exhale for 4 seconds. So let's do it together. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when you get to the bottom of your exhale, see if you can feel the energy in your hands. Ask yourself this question: is there life in my hands? Hey, you succeeded. Pat yourself on the back for being a winner. No, Jake, you idiot. That was symbolic. If you move while you meditate, you already failed. You weren't actually supposed to pat yourself on the back. Just joking. Listen, if anybody tells you that you're doing it wrong, just tell them. Jake says meditation is about moving outside of the prison of your mind, where we remain trapped in thoughts of right and wrong. So technically, they're wrong. You're right. Allow your thoughts to be what they are. You are not failing if you're thinking. You are not your thoughts. Most of your thoughts are just subconscious habits. They're just happening in your head. But what happens when people meditate is they think they're not supposed to have any thoughts. It's not the thoughts themselves are the problem. It's when we start attaching to them, and then they start producing chemicals in our brain. All of a sudden we start feeling sad from our thoughts. You are not your thoughts. Return your focus to the rising and falling of your stomach. Remember, inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. See if you can feel your stomach rising and falling with each inhale and each exhale. Notice the sensations of oxygen coming through your nostrils. Just notice it. And remember, all is well.
You've made it this far in life. You can see, you can hear, you had somewhere to sleep, you have a heart that beats, and a nervous system that interprets energy as physiological sensations. It is amazing.
Now, before you reopen your eyes, take a moment and exhale deeply. Think of one thing right now that you are truly, truly thankful for. With each inhale and exhale, think of a new thing that you're grateful for. So as you breathe in, think of a new thing. Exhale, inhale, think of a new thing you're grateful for.
Perhaps it's a person, a thing, a place. You have a job. You had money to buy food. A circumstance, your health. Feel what you're thankful for. Continue to breathe deeply. Inhaling for 4 seconds. Exhaling for 4 seconds. Inhaling for 4 seconds. Exhaling for 4 seconds. Feeling grateful for your life right now and excited about all the good things coming. Now, when you feel complete, open your eyes. Congratulations, you successfully meditated.